You could try turn off the sun, I'm still gonna shine.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Adam bin Zulkifli. I'm from class TSI 2B. Today, I will explain how this COVID-19 pandemic has increased in consumer engagement with video games around the world. The COVID-19 pandemic have boosted user engagement with video games around the world. Video game has given more pros in controlling mental health, especially during COVID-19 pandemic. Recent findings by the researchers, which is in Australia, the sale of game consoles and game increased by 285.6% and 278.5% respectively. Video games have potentially to safety this psychology need during the COVID-19 pandemic. Research shows that video games can help to facilitate a feeling of autonomy by giving players a sense of being free to make choice and, depending on the games, provide the meaningful narrative for completing tasks. Thus, video games contributed for positive effects where it pushed away the anxiety, improve mental mood, and improve rapport with others. In my first opinion, I will give some tips that we can take advantage of so that we can solve this problem. During COVID-19 pandemic, video games can help push away the anxieties in order to control mental health. Firstly, sniffing lavender oil. Lavender oil has a lot healing properties. It boosts a feeling of calm, support deep and restful sleep. It can even help with headaches. For example, to keep reduced anxiety, you have to keep a bottle of lavender oil at your desk or in your purse. Whenever you need a boost of peace, you have to breathe it in or massage it into your temples. Secondly, in order to push away the anxiety, it's just do anything. Don't let yourself being lazy. Doing an action or whatever it is can interrupt your thought patterns, which is often where anxiety starts. For example, you can clear a few things of that, or you walk outside and put any flower to smell, which is it can boost your peace. In my second opinion, I will also explain that video games can improve mental mood during COVID-19. Most people nowadays are looking for digital solutions to help them relieve stress. First of all, video games can help improve the will and decision making in various mental health conditions. Moreover, video games can be an unforgettable tool in dealing with silence, as for example, essentially introduce co-op mode that allows players from all over the world to connect with each other anywhere at any time. That is a little bit of knowledge that I can share with everyone. To the next explanation, I will hand over to my friend Muhammad Nazmi bin Nasruddin from class DSI 1B. Hope this knowledge is useful for all of us. The last word from me. Wabillahi taufiq. wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazmi bin Muhammad Nasruddin. I'm student from the SI 2A. On this video, I, Muhammad Nazmi, will tell about point 3 and also conclusion of our writing essay, which is the benefit of video games in controlling mental health problem during COVID-19. People nowadays less interact with others since we have to keep ourselves at home during COVID-19 lockdowns. Researchers have found out that playing a video games actually is good for them. Video games can improve young people emotional, social, and psychological well-being, and playing as a family can help build stronger relationship. A recent survey show about 94% of children agreed 6 to 15 play video games regularly. For example, if kids are playing, them build relationships. Secondly, playing video games with online friends can improve rapport with others. It can help many people who to get now more friends. For example, most people who is playing video game can interact with their online friends and also can get their social media. In conclusion, video games can bring more benefit for us in controlling our mental health, especially during COVID-19 pandemic, due to push away the anxiety, improve mental mood, and improve rapport with others. Therefore, video games are a viable source of stress relief as well as stimulant for mental health improvement and development of social skill. Most people who are playing video games actively contribute to the level of satisfaction that they obtain from video games. Although excessive playtime can have negative impact, but gaming in moderation can be healthy, fun, and educational. Thank you.
Alaikum, yeah. Spread peace on the earth.